Hi. So now let us see the next operators. That is actually comparison operators. Okay. So what is meaning of comparison operators? We are actually using for comparing two values. Okay. So what are those operators? And let us see with the hands-on session. So the first one is equal operator. So here you see two values whenever you want to compare. So that means whether they are equal or not. That means its meaning is content of A and content of B is both same or not. For example, A equal to 5, B equal to 5. So now both contents are same, right? So whether both contents are same or not, for that purpose we are using equal operator. And then not equal. See, if it is true, that means both of them is same, then it is going to return true actually. Okay, if same, content is same. If not same, what it is going to return? False actually. Okay. So actually always this comparison operators will evaluate to finally either true or false and not equal. So for example, B equal to 6 instead of 5. Yes, so A is not equal to B. So it is true, right? So it will return true if it is both of them is not same. And then greater than, so if A value is greater than B, then it is going to return true, otherwise it is returning false. And of course less than, then greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So these are the comparison operators in any programming language we are going to see. Let us check with one example. So A equal to 5, B equal to 5, then if A equal to B. So whenever both contents are same, so here printing true part. Okay. So that means both of them is same. Okay. Or otherwise let us print A and B are same. A and B contents are same. Okay. Now if I run, it is going to print that one. So A and B contents are same. Now if I give else part, so for example, else, okay, then print A and B are not same. Okay. Now that means when it is going to become false, if B is 6, then it will become false. So this is very normal thing only. A and B are not same. Okay, contents are not same. Now for example, if you use another operator not equal, A not equal to B. So at this moment, what is going to happen? Yes, A and B are not same, right? So that is why it is going to print that A and B contents are same because condition is true. So let us check. A and B contents are same. So don't go for the meaning, go for the here condition actually. Okay. So for example, A is less than B, right? 5 is less than 6. So let us print correspondingly. A is less than B actually. Now if you run this one, then A is less than B, it is printed. So to just try to understand that what are the operators for comparison actually, especially. Okay.